Hey guys, how's it going? I'm doing another working on the dirt bike. We're here again with the CRF ADF Honda dirt bike. Today I'm going to be speaking to you about how to make your motorcycle louder. I know if you live in a neighborhood, this isn't for you, but if you live out in the country, have at it. Today we're going to be looking at a baffle, and if you don't know what this is, it's just kind of like a filter to make your dirt bike quieter. I'm going to show you how quieter it is compared to without this. So yeah, it probably won't start the first 5 kicks, so let's just see. So, if you heard, that was pretty quiet. But now, what we're going to do, we're going to take this off and we'll compare it to when it was there. So, I'm going to show you how to take it off and what you need. All you need is this little wrench right here. Take them 3 bolts out and you should be ready. So, all I'm going to do is start taking these out. And these should make your dirt bike a lot louder once you get these bolts out. Oh, there it went. Alright. Staggering bolts bent and it's hard to get out of here. There we go. See what happens whenever you daggum hurt the baffle too much. Daggum screw bends and it's hard to get out of there. See how it's already coming loose whenever I start loosening this screw. Alright, all of them's out, so what you want to do is carefully take it out of the muffler. And there's going to be a ring at the end of it. If y'all can't see, just slide that to the top of it. Once you do that, I normally set mine down and then put the bolts on top of it so I don't lose them. Because if you lose those, it's going to be hard to sell in the end. And so just set this aside. And now, let's compare it. Okay, one thing that I stress is whenever you take that out, it's going to make it a whole lot harder to start it. But I'll try it. As you can tell, that was a whole lot louder. So yeah, that's how you make your dirt bike louder. There will be more mechanic videos on this CRF ADF Honda dirt bike. Big shout out to my man Christopher, Gaming Master League. Go check him out. He just got a new Honda dirt bike. I'm not sure what the size is, but he's got 2 riding videos that y'all need to go check out and smash the like button. If you like this video and want to see more, comment and like on this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.